Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to minimize all the screens at once. For example, if you have multiple windows open, like your browser, your Explorer, or any other application on your computer, you want to minimize it and go to the desktop straight away. So simply press Windows key, which looks like this on your keyboard, and then press D for Delhi. So this will be the complete command. It's Windows logo key plus D. That will minimize all your applications, and then you will be able to see the desktop like this. And when you want to go back to the screens that were opened, you press Win plus D again, once again. So once you press Win plus T once again, you will come back to your old window, and they will open all in the same sequence that they were minimized previously. Hope that helps. Thank you very much, or have a nice day.